Merhaba arkadaşlar, ben Ece. Zaten beni biliyorsunuz. Arkadaşlar bugün sizinle birlikte ne yapacağız? Bugün sizinle birlikte hani şu Myke vardı biliyorsunuz. Onun oyuncak hikaye videosunu çekmiştik. Bugün Myke'nin videosunu çektik ama biraz video uzun olabilir arkadaşlarım. Kanalıma abone ve bildirimleri abone değilseniz de abone olmayı unutmayın. Aşağıdan gidip abone olabilirsiniz arkadaşlarım. Arkadaşlar kanalıma da abone ve bildirimleri abone değilseniz de abone olmayı unutmayın arkadaşlarım. Eğer daha fazla böyle Myke videoları gelmesini istiyorsanız kanalıma da abone ve bildirimleri açın arkadaşlarım. Arkadaşlar dünkü videoyu beğenmemişsiniz. Gidip beğeniyorsunuz. Bu videoyu izledikten sonra öbür videoyu izleyin. Öbür videoda da yorum yapın. Yorum yapmadığınız arkadaşlarım. Onu da bu videodan sonra yorum yapın arkadaşlarım. Zaten yorum yapmayı unutmayın. Dünkü videoya yorum yapmamışsınızdır. Bugün yorum yapıyorsunuz. Ne istediklerinizi yoruma yazın. Beni desteklemeyi istiyorsanız kanalıma abone olun ve bir yorum ve beğeni istiyorum arkadaşlar. O zaman daha fazla uzatmadan videomuza geçiyoruz arkadaşlarım. Bakalım neler olacak, neler bitecek. Başlar.
A new national park has recently opened, only 3 months ago, and so far 50 people have disappeared, and nobody knows why.
If we find proof that Slenderman lives here, which we know he does, me and Nick have seen it, we've been there, they will consider shutting down the park.
I need you to pick up the phone right now. There was a man in a suit, and I saw him, and I think he's following a suit. Oh my god, I think he's...
Well, that's
Dude, what?
a man in a suit? It has to be Slenderman, right?
That's the thing, though. It sounded exactly like the scream we just heard, right?
If I'm not dreaming, I'm pretty sure this says keep out.
Hopefully.
Like,
on the doorknob.
Ormana
God.
gittik
Following this?
Well, Ashley or Sarah.
Saat 3. Bir şey çıkmıyor.
Hello? Nobody in here? There's another handle. Hold on.
oh my god, that's even more.
Look at this.
There's even more.
If we find somebody here, they're definitely injured, so we need to be ready to apply like first aid and everything.
I have a med kit, so
You do?
if we do find them.
Good. Get this open. Go, go, go.
Hello? Ashley?
Oh, they changed it.
Dude, this place is different.
Dude, there's no more beds.
There's like a huge wall here, like 16 different beds, all bunk beds.
Is
Is it an upgrade?
No.
Sit down here. Is there anyone here?
Hello?
Oh.
What?
There was someone right there.
What do you mean there's somebody right there?
Someone right there. Oh, we need to go outside. Outside.
Sarah? Ashley?
Was it a person or was it Slender?
Looked like a person.
There's more blood here.
Like it was like someone like running. Like. Hello?
Did you see anything, Michelle?
Which way did they go? This way?
Holy shit! Look at this.
Yeah, there's blood all along the sides.
It's not good.
That's really, really not good.
Well, they literally like ran off this way.
There's an opening here. Maybe we could.
Nerede?
Hello? This is all marshland. Nobody could have ran through this.
I mean, who thought a place so beautiful could be so terrifying?
This is very, very strange. See anything, Jesse?
No, nothing.
Sesleri bir şey bulabildin mi?
Should we go back? Maybe I'm just like seeing shit, but like there is blood on the wall.
Yeah.
Maybe they
Somebody had to leave that, right? So.
Yeah, there's blood here, and there's a few more. Holy.
Somebody there?
Hello?
Hello?
You heard that too.
I heard branches like hitting me. Yeah.
Did anyone leave their stuff inside?
No.
No.
Look.
What?
I can't.
Can you see that, Nick? There's
Oh,
like
look.
stuff
Yeah, there's
on
literally
the
stuff in it.
table. You can see it right there.
That stuff right there.
No one left their stuff inside?
No. Bro, we left right away.
Okay, let's go.
Nereye gidiyorlar acaba?
Oh, shit.
Lots of blood. What?
Yeah.
Where? Oh, man.
Who's this?
I was literally wondering the same thing. Like, we haven't talked about it, but this has to be like Ashley's or Sarah's blood, like, right?
Yeah.
Like, it's not good, whoever's it is.
All over the bag.
Oh no. And there's a lot of it.
Onun kanka gibi bir şey.
That can't be good.
Anyone recognize this?
Oh, that's part of the set from the end
Yeah.
site.
Yeah, the tents.
So, Ashley and Sarah have been here? Or
Ashley or Sarah. Is this just the bag? Is there anything else like in it? Like,
oh my god, what? Sarah run? Ash. And there's blood all over it.
Jesus, what the hell happened here?
Ew.
Oh my god.
Holy shit.
What?
It's the same.
I've seen this everywhere.
Is this like Slenderman's marking?
Because
I feel like it was at the beginning of the forest. It's on the tree with the friggin' face.
Wait,
It's
if you
here
look
now.
at it. Look at it. The circle, and it's blocking out the eyes. Slenderman has no eyes. I think that's what it is.
Dude.
That is creepy.
so then what happened to Ash and Sarah?
Well, it says this paper was made by Ash. I don't know why Ashley would write this, but she's telling Sarah to leave.
Maybe we should run. What do you think? Because I don't know about that.
Let's just pack up and go.
I don't know, man. Like, we should like stay and like maybe like try to find them. Like, what if I saw someone outside? Like, what if
Even
they come
Ashley
back?
is telling Sarah to run. Why don't you think that why would we stay?
What if Sarah's like hasn't come here yet?
And she's still out there? Well, she probably hasn't because Ash left his note for her. So if she came here, she would have seen the note and ran, right? So maybe she's still out there. Plus, we came here to find Slenderman, didn't we? And capture footage of him. We have like an obligation to save other people who want to hike here. You know? I feel like we should stay and stick this through.
He has a point.
We just need the proof. That's all we need, right?
Yeah,
we don't have to do
absolutely.
anything heroic. We just need to capture footage of him, and then we could show it to someone, and we could actually save lives.
Alright guys, so it's been about an hour-ish. I figured out a plan on how we are going to get footage of the Slenderman, and I've made a little sketch here. As you can see, we have the cabin. Not the best sketch in the world, but this is us, and I've walked around. There's a path over here next to the tall grass, and that is to our left. Over there. And then there's the path over here, which is the one we just came in, and then there's this other path over here. Now the plan is, I only have 2 hunting cameras. Third one and fourth one have disappeared over the adventures that we've had. I need to buy more, I know, but we only have 2. First one's gonna go on path 1, second one is gonna go on path 2. Now, things will start to get interesting with path 3. Now, we have 2 teams. First team is me, Nick behind the camera, and Shira, and then the second team will be Jesse and Myke, and they're gonna be staying in the cabin while we are outside. So when we're on path 3, the only way we're gonna be able to get footage of Slenderman coming to the cabin will be with this camera. So once we are in position, once we are on path number 3, that's when these are going to come in. We have a radio communication with Jesse and Myke. We're gonna radio them in. We're gonna be like, we are ready, we are on the path, we're ready to record Slenderman. And now I know you guys aren't gonna like this, but when we are on the path, I need you guys to start the Slenderman ritual in the cabin.
No. Is it really necessary?
We've done it before, we know it works, and The only reason we're here is to capture footage of Slenderman.
Okay, but this is only as a last resort.
Only as a last resort if we don't see anything. But I'm saying, if we don't find anything, I need to radio you and you guys need to do the ritual and give us time to try to find Slenderman.
Hey man, look on the bright side. You're gonna be comfortable and in here, and we're gonna be the ones out there.
Yeah.
So
tell that to the note that Ash left.
Yeah.
This place isn't safe.
How about this?
We have to do it. It literally needs to be done.
We put a 1 hour timer. We're out there for 1 hour. If nothing happens, we'll all come back here and we'll try to
get the hell out of here.
Get the hell out of here or wait for Slenderman to come. We just need proof that Slenderman is here so that nobody else could go missing. We literally just witnessed 2 hikers or campers just disappear off the face of the earth. Who knows if they're gonna come back? We need to prevent this from ever happening again. We do the ritual, do it for an hour. My gut tells me Slenderman will show up, and that's all we need. Just a little bit of evidence, and then we can get out.
Yeah. I'm down.
Okay, let's grab those hunting cameras. Let's get started. So guys, as I was packing my bag to go back out, I noticed something, and we'll see if Shara notices as well. What is this?
Aşağı yorum yapmayı unutmayın arkadaşlar.
Yeah, it's just a stick. Nothing too important. Why? What's so great? And what have I been using this whole time?
Jeez.
Using
a walking stick.
Your obliviousness in the video. Walkie-talkie. Yeah. We got hunting cameras. Let's go. Let's head to path number 1. Every time we go out, what do I normally point out? When it's nighttime. It's a big bright ball in the sky.
Moon.
Correct. And how full is the moon, would you say?
Well.
Is that considered a full moon?
So, but she's looking pretty cool.
No, it's not. It's missing the last, like, tiny bit of it.
So this video is 10% less creepy than it normally should be. I'm sorry.
I'm not gonna lie to them and say it's a full moon when it's not, bro.
It's a full moon!
You'll just see in the comments, technically.
Right?
Yeah, exactly.
In the title and brackets,
during
a full moon.
Actually, we need to come back like in a couple more days when it is full.
Yeah, tomorrow or in 2 days it should be full.
Nice to do this one part.
Yeah, let's go home.
I remember this path, Michelle.
This is like so pretty.
Did we see something?
Yeah, we saw him. We saw him walk across or something.
Oh,
right. It was
right
like
here?
just his like foot or something walk across the path.
And over there, this place has changed a lot.
Yeah.
It wasn't overgrown, and there was a fire pit.
You're right. Yeah, just over there.
There was a fire pit with a dull blue eyes. Man, it was weird. And that's where I saw Slenderman. That's when I was like, we need to get the hell out of here.
Very creepy.
Things have changed, haven't they? Looks a little too creepy out there.
You're on stick duty. So, last time we were here, we didn't have this.
I was just gonna say, what is that? Is that your camera?
This is a hunting camera. So normally, for those of you who don't know, when I go on these trips, I bring some of these, which are night vision hunting cameras. And let me just show you. So we're gonna tie this here. There's too many knobs, man.
Too many things to twist and turn and set up.
So if you want to know how this works, we have basically a camera that will stay on all night. I will turn it on. You'll see that go. Boom. And so now there's a flashing red light.
Yeah.
Once that blinks 10 times, it'll be ready. And anytime anything moves in front of it, whether it's nighttime, daytime, anything, it'll take a photo. I've captured images of the rake with this. I've captured images of Siren Head with this. So hopefully this comes in handy once again and does capture some good footage of Slenderman, and we can send that over to the park. But let's go to the second path. Did you hear that?
var. Daha gelmeyecek.
I heard a big crack.
What are you thinking?
I hear that moving.
What is that?
Herhalde bir şey.
Come check it out.
But do you hear all those branches breaking?
Yeah.
Var gibi sanıyorum.
Come on, saying go check it out.
You want to go in the woods and check that out.
Well, we're looking for 2 missing people, aren't we?
I'm also not trying to die while doing it.
Let's go look and see if there's like a clearing that we can at least see where the hell we're going.
It kind of opens up.
Yeah, it opens up a tiny bit. It's another note.
Ağaçta bir şey var arkadaşlar.
That's creeping me out.
It wasn't there when we got here.
It definitely wasn't. But also... Oh my god.
You recognize that tree, huh?
Orada bir şey yap.
What? How is that even possible?
That was the first thing I noticed when I look at that tree.
What? You seen something?
I don't think you saw it. I was looking through the images on the phone before we looked at the voicemail. And the first image I saw.
It's the same tree.
Looks like the same tree.
Jesus.
How? If they were all the way over there at the camp.
I
How would they-
don't know.
Maybe they'd been here before? And
Oradaki
this is like their
ağaca
personal check mark or something?
Wait a minute.
What?
Biraz garip gibi.
I feel like they were here before they went to the camp.
And then maybe they, on their way back, they got like attacked.
Because look, you see, this is the first image. So they took this
O
and they
ağaç
went up.
biraz garip arkadaşlar.
They took a photo of this tree. I don't know why. Here's a path and watch. Do you recognize that?
The fallen tree that we went under.
Bana önceki
That's over there.
So they came to the cabin
görüyorlar.
and they got attacked or went missing. Oh, is that why he said go back to the cabin?
Yeah, go to cabin or whatever. They knew that the cabin.
That cabin was there.
Oh, even this. We walked past a bunch of tall grass. I don't know if you remember that.
That's crazy. That's scary.
Dude.
Did you hear that?
Now, what was that?
You guys need to look at this. Do you see what I'm saying?
Wait, what is that?
You see that in the middle of the path?
What is that, though?
Dude. Is that Slenderman?
Tell me that doesn't look like Slenderman.
That looks exactly like him.
What the hell? That's terrifying. Yeah. And that's all the way back there.
And it's getting dark, guys. Okay. And we have more papers just like popping up.
Yeah, dude, let's check this paper out. Okay, let's see.
Şimdi oraya doğru gidiyorlar herhalde arkadaşlar.
That was the last image, by the way. On the phone, there's
Yeah.
no more that they took. They saw him, or what looks like him, and then nothing.
Biraz ilgileniyorum bu arada arkadaşlar.
Says, leave me alone.
Hell?
Weird, right?
Does it, like, was that another note from Ashley?
No, it doesn't say. No signature from Ash on it.
That's interesting. All of them so far have had Ash's name on it, at
Yeah.
least.
Is there anything on the back?
Yeah.
Biraz ilgileneceğim.
Another.
Biraz
the same
soğuk olduğu için arkadaşlar
Face
tam
that we've been seeing.
anlatamıyorum.
This is what I'm thinking.
Bir şeyler falan
This
diyor da
is
arkadaşlar, o yüzden.
a paper. I'm assuming Ashley was the one who wrote this, but she wasn't directing it to Sarah. Because why would
Şey,
Yeah, why would Sarah be attacking her or whatever? And why would she be saying, leave me alone, if she was talking to Sarah?
Do you think this is for like Slenderman? Like she's leaving notes for him?
Can he even like read notes and stuff?
Written this? He's telling us to leave him alone.
I mean, maybe it is Slenderman, and you said that they reopened this as a national park. Maybe he's telling everyone to leave him alone, like a warning to stop coming into this forest.
Ooh, man. And then maybe that's why these like symbols are
that's like his signature or something.
But why would those be on Ashley's papers?
I don't know, man. None of this is really making any sense.
What would be even more creepy is if Slenderman wrote that to us. Because we're the only ones so far that have come looking for him. Everybody else has just come on a hike
because this
or
paper,
a camping trip.
Yeah, this paper just got here. So
that's weird, man.
I think this is where the camera should go.
Yeah, for sure. This tree, look at it.
This is literally like the trees you see in his game. Like anytime, like these big, massive trees, there's always a piece of paper on it. Like this is literally the same thing.
Okay, let's set up the camera here for sure.
On the tree or looking at the tree?
Probably having the camera facing out.
I think that would make sense because if someone was coming to grab this, the camera could be here.
Yeah, and looking out.
Okay, that's a good idea.
Who knows? Maybe if it was Ashley or Sarah, whoever is writing these, then we would be able to see like that it's them, you know, and know that they're okay.
Yeah. Put a face to a name.
Yeah.
Here you go, Shara. You do the honors, and we'll meet on the other side.
I don't think the strap is long enough, pal.
Okay, plan B.
Shit. What do we do? Maybe.
We can force the tripod. Anything? Lean it up right here. Try to hide it behind the tree-ish.
Grab the tripod, I guess. Look for this for 10 minutes straight. For no reason.
Just back to the tripod.
Is there a bug on my face?
Yeah.
There's multiple.
Yeah.
They're like everywhere.
The name of the game is going to be Speed.
Sorry guys, we need to take a little bug break. You know what I wish?
What?
That they would all just go on Slenderman. And just get him the hell out of this forest.
You want some too?
No.
Got the cap!
Alright, now we need to position this bad boy.
Remember, the goal is to make sure it doesn't fall.
Hey, Shara's on the case.
Wait, hold up. There. Oh, he's looking out towards the trail. Anybody approaches? Yeah. Now you just need to turn it on, pal.
You guys are working me. Alright, we need to go before it takes a photo of all of us.
True, let's get the hell out of here.
We need to go. Grab the bag! We are leaving!
Okay, last location.
On to the third and final path.
So what do you think about this, man?
It's weird, bro. It's been like at least an hour, and it's getting dark.
It is dark. It's literally pitch
They've been gone for that long. Like I'm getting a little weird. It's kind of sus, you know.
Like they have to.
They must be okay. There's three of them. Like there's no way that they wouldn't signal to us at some point that they're, you know,
In danger.
Let me just finish it back up. Jack Links sponsored this video. Best meat snack out there. The original beef jerky. Cop it on my merch store. But you might as well get my merch while you're at it.
What was that sound?
Does anyone want the last of it?
Yeah, please.
Here you go, Nick.
Wow.
That's it.
Good stuff. Here, you can have that back. Look what I got, boys. This is what he left me with. I helped him film these videos, and this is what I got. Okay. It's okay.
That's all the food you get for the rest of the night.
After like another year of me helping you film these videos, I'll have enough for like the Hype Myke tactical nuke. 2 hours of reasons why Hype Myke's a monster to work with. Just situations like these.
Canceled.
I have made a complete and utter lapse of my judgment. That was my sorry video.
Perfect. Oh my god, I almost believed it for a second. Holy.
I am trying not to litter, but this bag is really telling me to do it. So we're putting that in the pocket. Okay, enough of this, guys. We are currently on the third and final path. As you can see in front of us, it's dark. It is really dark. And we are already hearing weird sounds. So we're here. It's dark. It's gonna be a lot harder to spot him with just this light and our flashlight, but we're gonna try to be the third camera. The cabin is about 10 minutes that way, and the plan is going to be we're gonna start the ritual. We're gonna try to walk 20 minutes that way, 30 minutes back. We'll be back by the cabin on time for the ritual to be over, and hopefully at that point some of our cameras will have captured Slenderman, or we do. What was that? Did no one see that? No. I'm just going crazy. Or we are gonna spot him, which is going to be horrifying. Wow.
That was a big moth, huh?
Yeah, there's so many.
Okay. Are we ready?
Yeah.
8.
So I feel like we waited a little bit, and then if they don't answer in like 30 minutes or they don't come, we'll just bring them in.
Go out and look for them, maybe.
Did it go off?
Is it? I don't know.
Maybe there was a... Oh!
Hello, Michelle, is that you?
Roger that. Okay, I guess we're doing it.
It's okay.
Okay, so, I'll give you a little rundown of what we have to do for this ritual to actually work.
Okay.
Now, you guys saw that that's where the paper was previously, where the X's were kind of laid there.
Yeah.
The only way that this ritual kind of works is if there is indeed these right here, the cuts. And what we did, if you can kind of tell, we drew a circle around the X's.
Try and see it. You can kind of see it. I'll trace with my finger so it goes all around here. And
yeah, just a big
giant circle.
And then there's an X here. So now we're about to go do the actual ritual part, and what it entails is I have to put my head against the wall and I have to chant the following sentences. Okay, we're about to do it. Is that fine? Alright, over. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Slenderman, Slenderman, all children try to run. Slenderman, Slenderman, to him it's part of the fun. Slenderman, Slenderman, dressed in its darkest suit and tie. Slenderman, Slenderman, you most certainly will die. It's done.
Arkadaşlar ben de burada bitiriyorum arkadaşlar. Kanalıma abone olmayı, bildirimleri arkadaşlar. Abone değilseniz de abone olmayı unutmayın arkadaşlar. Eğer daha sonra böyle videoların gelmesini istiyorsanız kanalıma da abone olmayı, bildirimleri ve yorumlara yazın. Ne videoları gelsin. Büyükçe videoyu yorum yazın arkadaşlarım. Yorum yazın. Arkadaşlarım yazsın. Beni destek çıkmadığınızı beni destek çıkın arkadaşlarım. Eğer destek çıkmazsanız videolarım kaldığı yerden devamlı gelmez arkadaşlarım. O zaman başka bölümde görüşürüz arkadaşlarım. Eğer daha fazla böyle videolarım gelmişsiniz kanalıma da abone olmayı biliyorsunuz. Başka bölümde görüşürüz arkadaşlar. Bu videoyu yorum yapın. Önce bu videoyu ilin, sonra öbür sonra öbür videoyu ilin. O videoyu yorum yapın arkadaşlar. Bekliyorum, yorum yapın. Bakalım. Başka bölümde görüşürüz. Yorum yapmayı unutmayın. Bay bay.